Learn how to convert your PowerPoint presentation into a fully customized video using Pictory. On the Pictory dashboard, choose the PPT to Video tool to upload your PowerPoint. Proceed by clicking Generate Video to start the storyboard creation process. Review your video storyboard with editable scenes, text, and elements to customize it according to your needs. Switch to the Audio tab to select your desired voiceover.
So I'll pause here to just walk you through the concept. In the recording that I showed you earlier, it was very raw, no voice, just few clicks. And now the AI has done some really good work. It has, of course, learned what are the different steps performed in your recording. It understood the main goal based on some of the inputs that you have given as the customer of the AI. And it added the voiceover in the language that you wanted, the accent that you wanted. Plus, it also has added this display text on the top saying that this is your step 1, this is your step 2, and on top of it you might have seen a lot of training videos, explainer videos, where when you're clicking something, when you're doing something important, it gets zoomed in, zoom out so that the video looks very polished. All of that is done by AI, and in a matter of few seconds you uploaded a raw video and you get a polished output like this. This is an example of the magic AI can do to us in our day-to-day work.